So hello everyone, I am Jana Tagitad Forlales and ngayon is pag-uusapan natin ang Filipino grievance against food and I hope you like it. Uh, Enjoy! So good afternoon everyone. Now I'll be discussing the continuance of Filipino grievance against Governor Wood. In July 21st, 1923, when anti-Wood sentiment of Filipino officials against Governor Wood decided na i-restrain si Ray Conley. So sino nga ba si Ray Conley? Siya ay isang Manila Police Force Chief na inakusahan na nakatanggap daw siya ng pera galing sa mga gambling lords. Mr. Almario, the Secretary of Mayor, initiated to present the alleged fake telephone conversation between Conley and some gamblers. Dahil nga dissatisfied si Conley sa court, nag-request si Mayor Fernandez and Secretary Jose P. Laurel kay Wood kung pwede imbestigahan si Conley. But the board found that Conley is not guilty and recommended his reinstatement. At naniniwala daw si Wood kay Conley na hindi accountable ang mga charges against Conley dahil nga naimpluwensyahan lang siya at konektado lang talaga siya sa mga taong naapektuhan ng anti-gambling campaign. Matapos siyang mapasawalang sala, Conley resigned and Wood accepted his resignation. Pero na-discover nila na nagkikip ng mistress si Wood at saka gumagawa ng mga false statements. Nainsulto si Mayor Fernandez and Secretary Laurel sa board na ginawa ni Wood at napansin nila na ang case nila against Wood is mahina. To counter the discontent, pinawalang sala nila si Condi di dahil nga siya ay isang inosente, pero dahil siya ay Amerikano. Their resignation and Senate President Quezon and Speaker Manuel Rojas also resigned as a member of the Council of State in support of Laurel, Governor Wood, who tried to win the Filipino officials. But they were praised with the deputies. Quezon and his allies resigned en masse or what we call in a group or group together o nagkaisa, planning to send a delegation to the US to discuss Wood's regards for the Filipino rights. And that's all. I hope you learned something today and thank you for watching.